Hey guys, today we are playing Animal Company with Kobe Plays 153. What are we doing?
We're completing events.
We're completing the events. Anyway, you hear him as a giant guy. Cause maybe he's giant. But for me, I hear him as a little kid. Because I'm on call. So yeah, you guys will. Yeah. Oh my god!
Don't eat any more broccoli.
The hell! It's gonna be so easy if I just smack you a couple times. Mate, you're like the.
Eat any more broccoli. Oh, I can.
What? Leave a review. Where are you? There you go, got put. Oystache. Wait, to make sure. Yeah, that's in my mustache. You're so. Oh my god, I've seen your arm.
Clever. Right, let's go complete. Let's. Do you have like the mega flashlight unlocked? I'm sorry, I just really like these and I have to eat another one.
No, I do not.
Right, we might be cooked then. It's a game called Good My Neighbor.
Who's this?
Wait, no. Wait, I have to also record as well.
I need some goo.
Yeah, so much of videos today we'll play Animal Complete with this imbecile again.
Well, actually, not against it. I'm on a different channel.
Oh, yeah, actually. But you're still the same person.
Well, call me Mario since the channel name is the Mario and Sonic Show.
I'm dying over here.
Is your asthma attack going again? Okay.
Ooh, that's offensive.
And the important of all.
Let's go, come on.
I need goo. Do you have any goo?
That sounds weird, but yes.
Well, thanks.
How much do you need?
Probably like 2 pieces.
We need a Glock 19, obviously. So in my bag, I'm just gonna fill up with a couple guns, like 3 guns. And then all I need is just 2 hook shots, and I'm good. Right, I'm ready.
Okay, perfect.
I also threw another one. I also threw some more goop over here if you want it. If you want to add an extra flashlight, there's some goop over here. There.
Oh, thanks.
If you want to add an extra flashlight there. Is this like
Okay.
a game called Hello Neighbor? Jump him in his house. I need to eat another broccoli. I'm so sorry, but it's so fun.
He's
It's
a
a game
broccoli addict.
It's a game called I'll Kill My Neighbor.
Walk in his house. Take the key card.
Let's go in his house. Yeah, let's go.
Get into his house unpronounced and then kill him. I'm coming, don't worry. Me bomba! I'm just coming. I'm almost there. Wait, no. I thought we were going mining. Oh, I thought I forgot about the hook shot. No. Wait, I'm just getting a hook shot because I'm making the hook shot 3000. As you can see, I have a galaxy hook shot, a gold hook shot, and a normal hook shot.
I gave him the galaxy hook shot and the gold hook shot.
And the hook shot.
Oh yeah, I gave him all the hook shots.
Where? Okay, good. Where is it?
Where's what?
My hook shot.
Mm-hmm.
It should have given to me.
They're in your stash.
What does eject item do? Oh, it just gives it.
Just takes it out.
Yes, that's what I need. I can't pick
Yo.
up.
Yeah, you can. Come here. Look. Come to me, and then you'll be able to pick it up. Come to me. Yeah, right now you're able to pick it up.
No, I can't pick up my crit. Oh.
Can we just go?
Yo, I just made the most tough thing ever. And then, no, I don't need that.
Yo, bro, look at this.
Yo, bro, look.
Right, let's go. Come on.
Okay. Cheese. I don't want that.
Don't get distracted on what our mission is.
Oh wait, Lucky, you have a gun. I don't.
I literally have 5 guns.
Uh-oh.
Where the hell are you?
Help. I'm getting drowned. Ah, it's good that I have Spider-Man abilities.
Bro, look at mine, bro. Look at all my headshots. Where
I
are
can't
you?
see. Bro, this guy. Bro, Kobe has 3 hook shots.
I know, I guess. You have to be me if you want it.
Well,
Or I could just die and then... But that will never happen
bro,
because...
my controller batteries are low.
Just charge. Alright, wait for me, bro.
Wait, I want to see what's up here.
Nothing. Just more water.
Oh, I want to see water.
He said my real name, so I'm blurring like a voiceover in this part.
Yeah, I haven't played
Bye
VR
bye.
in a while. I was grounded for an entire month.
Come
before
here.
You knew what
Come
happened.
here. Come here. Wait, what happened again?
Oh damn. Okay.
Wait, come here. Get in this massive crack.
This is not massive. This is small.
No, it gets way more massive.
Or maybe it is massive.
And then it leads even more down as well. It leads down.
Oh.
So is it massive now?
Still not. This. Me bomba. Me bomba. Guys, I'm unconscious. My god, you could have told me. In the water? I can't see you.
I'm up here, behind you.
Ah,
So there is a monster in here.
so we gotta kill it.
We can kill it. That's mainly why I have guns.
Okay,
And also, it hates light as well. Wait, let's go. Come on, go first. I'll protect you. I'll protect you. You have light. Wrong way.
Where's my hook shot gun thing? Oh, so tough.
Did not get that.
I'm just playing the game. Where are you?
I'm wandering around the bench, man.
Well, I might as well too.
No, I don't. I'm coming back. I see you behind you.
Ah,
Let's go.
do you know where my crowbar is?
I don't know.
Should we look for it? Should
Where's
we
here?
look?
Yeah, I'm trying to, right? We came here. Wait, when did you lose it? Like about here?
Like, yeah, about here. Like, as soon as we came in, I got up, got a gem, and then I lost it.
That's a stink one. Where did you get the gem?
I got it.
Open it. Eat that. Come on, let's go.
Okay. I'm the guy who gives the light.
You can have that if you want. It's just nothing really.
Can I sell it?
Yeah, there's another one with it.
Ah, my hook shot gun. My hook shot was here.
The group shot.
What happened?
There's another one of them. There's another one of them right there.
Can you help me? Where's the goop?
It's literally right in the middle right now. Right there, see? In the middle.
Yo.
You have two hands for a reason. There. What the hell?
I died. Yo, get me back in. Oh, thank you so much. Light.
Dude, this gun literally ran out of ammo, bro. Same with this one, bro. I have to get another one.
Should we go back?
No, we're already so far. There's no point. If one of them disgusting creature comes back, we'll just kill them. Right, what's happening right now? Sort out for yourself. What's happening?
I don't know what's happening since I got no light.
It's right there. Your light is right here.
Okay, good.
And your hook shot is right here. Got your bomb. Got 3 in the cylinder. Right, yeah. Right, put all this stuff in your bag again.
Is it
If you
worth
wanna
it?
sell it. Well, I mean, for money, yes. How the hell?
Mate, my crowbar.
It's attached to this. You know what? Just forget it. Put that back on. Right. Pick up this. Put that on your back and then pick this up. Right. Forget the crowbar. Let's go. Crap, I think I ran out of ammo.
Oh, it's over there. Kill it, Kobe, kill it. Now, only if I had a gun. Wait, I'm putting my headset off.
Right, I need a lock.
Oh, it's so much
Right.
better. Can get me a gun
Right.
too.
Right, I need a... Sure, I will, just wait. I just need a better loadout. Right, so... Run right there. I need a... That's why I asked you if you had the big flashlight.
Okay, so, this. Okay. Consumables. I don't have anything to consume, but I do have something called. Ta-da!
What's that, a crowbar? I think haven't you learned from the last experience?
What?
Haven't you just learned from the last experience what happened? Right,
Yeah, but
I'm
then-
gonna fill my bag of guns. Don't worry, I'll get you one as well.
Okay, so 2 of these. Oh yes. Instead of a crowbar, I'll get something better. Or should I get the crowbar?
Just get it, may as well.
But
Right, there's your gun.
I got a large needle though.
Oh, no, what's that supposed to do?
Do I take it? It's good.
Wait, a large what? Needle?
Yeah.
Buy. Oh wait, no, don't buy that. Don't buy it. Don't buy it.
Okay. So do I
It
just...
will. Yeah, keep the crowbar. Just keep it.
Okay, can I have 3 good? No, 2. 2.
If my purchase count cooldown word off. Purchase cooldown sucks.
I know, like, bro, you're like... Bleh.
Just let us buy our stuff.
I know, like, bro. By the way, guys, remember to like and subscribe because I'm only at 27 subscribers when I'm making this
Sub.
video.
Wait, sub to me and sub to him. I need
Yeah,
a live stream. Wait,
Yes, he's almost at 50 subscribers.
Yeah, we're gonna live stream Fortnite. Get over here! This, it's right there!
Bleh, me bomba.
I need my guns. Would you like some ammo for your gun?
Oh yes, please.
I don't need ammo because I literally have a bag full of guns.
Boss,
Right.
I only have 1 gun. Wait.
Your ammo's here. No, I'll get you 2 if you want. There, boom, 2 guns.
Oh yay, thanks.
Do you have hip slots? Like hip
No.
slots? Yeah. I had to pay 10 research points for this.
so.
Right, I'm just gonna.
Shoot.
Right, I'm up. Right, put everything in your bag. And then I'll meet you there. I'm going to eat another broccoli. Just so I can make it faster. Right, bye.
Okay, wait.
No, I'll meet you there. I'll meet you there.
Okay. Can you ask them to like and subscribe to the Mario and Sonic show for peak content? Sonic show.
Guys, I think you.
Wait, do I need a hook shot to get up there? No. Yeah, I got better at Gorilla Tag actually. Yeah, but it's like the it's not Gorilla Tag. Yes, I know, but like it's like the movement. It's a little bit better than Gorilla Tag.
Yeah. I could headshot you. Headshot 1, 2. Right.
Headshot 2, 2, 3.
I thought it was headshot 1, 2, 3.
Nah, it was headshot 2, 2, 3.
She's a bitty. I know you think you're gonna have.
Wait, so
We're singing. Wait, we're singing copyright music. Doesn't that be?
Ah, yeah, true. Well, to the creators of them songs, please give us thingy.
Permission to sing. Permission to sing them.
Yes.
Give us the rights. Comment. I'm the owner of the song, and give us permission.
Yeah. Whoa! I'm gonna shoot you.
Comment on this video that we have permission, and comment on his video that he has permission.
Diving! Blah, 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 blah. Oh, mate. The hell? Oh!
What the hell?
Kobe?
What the hell just happened?
I don't know, it just started charging at us.
I heard screaming in here and I was like, bro, we might be cooked.
Yeah, I was like, who? And then he just came out, I missed a shot.
Bro, I literally had to... Bro, that's so scary, bro.
I know. I'm scared also. Stay together, we get more shots.
Yep. East. Over here. Never mind, don't listen to me. Over here. Here's our old stuff.
Ah, old stuff. I missed you.
No point of collecting it. Okay, I hear the end, I hear the end. We finished it!
Yes.
Right, don't touch the red ones, they damage. No, we completed vent, but let's go to complete rain room.
No. I fell. I fell.
I'll do it for you, bro.
I see you. Wait, let me see. Stop. I need to get up.
I can't revive you, bro.
Yeah, I know, but like I'm gonna watch you.
Alright, where are you? I'm over here behind you. Behind you.
Ah. Chicka boom boom, chicka boom. Gun. Oh no. I'm at the spawn somehow. I really want to go mining. But I would... Hey, John Pork. Oh wait, no, John Frog and John Rabbit. No, and Mrs. John Rabbit. Holy tough, cat. Oh, this is so tough. I'm just rock climbing. Yeah. Trying to beat... pinch climbing. I'm trying to beat your record of 53 seconds for pinch climbing. Yes, that is. You were on. You said that's a record. Animal Company. $59? I thought you said 53. Damn. I fell. Brain rot room. Brain rot room. Wait. My cousin texted me saying, who is this? He'll probably... No, it's because he probably went on VR. And then, remember when I made a video with my little cousin? But it never got published. Lost. That's why my name was Green Monkey VR.
I completed main room. And I still have a lot of guns left.
Lucky.
I'm just gonna waste all the ammo. You wanna help waste ammo with me?
After I'm done beating your record.
You've already not beaten my record.
Oh. Well, after I finish this. Because I'm just gonna suffer for my neck for like another 15 minutes. Well, here's my room, I guess. No! I hate my life!
Do you want me to show you how I actually did it?
Nah. Secrets for later.
There's not really a secret.
Still.
So look, Stefan. I got 2 rockets, right? Look. Bro, look. 2 rockets. Press it. Right, and then all you do is this.
Really tough. Rocket time. Oi. Oi!
Oi. But anyways, guys, this was an amazing video. Guys, this was an amazing video. What the hell? What the hell happened? This has been a good video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I know I'm not posting in a while, but this is gonna be like first video in a while.
Wait, where's
That
rock
took,
one?
that took us 31 minutes to make that. Are you still recording?
Oh yeah.
Go. And the pearl. Tell pearl. Wait, where are you?
Anyway, guys, remember to like and subscribe for more peak content. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Dun 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 dun. Hey hey.